A Bluetooth FM transmitter for a car is a small device that connects to your car's cigarette lighter and allows you to play music or make hands-free phone calls through your car's stereo system. It works by transmitting a Bluetooth signal from your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled device to the transmitter, which then broadcasts the audio signal to an unused FM radio frequency in your car. By tuning your car's radio to that frequency, you can hear the audio playing through your car speakers. Many Bluetooth FM transmitters also feature built-in microphones and call control buttons, allowing you to take phone calls without having to pick up your phone. Some models also offer additional features such as USB charging ports or even the ability to read music files from an SD card. They are an affordable and convenient way to upgrade your car's audio capabilities. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showcasing the best Bluetooth FM transmitter for cars available in the market. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with my latest content. Let's begin. Our ranking lists Nulaxy as the 5th spot brand. Nulaxy KM30 Bluetooth car adapter provides multi-solutions for your hands-free driving and in-car stereo streaming. It features a big display screen offering a wider visual interface for more information, such as incoming phone number, track name, FM frequency, battery voltage, Bluetooth connected device and more. KM30 utilizes stronger microphone, greatly amplify sound reception and strengthen sound quality, bringing a higher level of experience. You can stream music directly from your car radio via Bluetooth, micro SD card, AUX out, and enjoy free switching between treble and bass mode. The color spectrum auto-syncs with your music. It comes with a QC 3.0 charging port to deliver high-speed charging to driver and passenger. The charging time is 4 times faster than conventional charging. You can stay fully focused on the road by using Siri or voice assistant to make phone calls, send texts, or get driving directions. Nulaxy KM30 brings voice service in your car. The 4th position on our top list is held by the cteso brand. Charge 2 devices simultaneously with our Bluetooth car adapter. One port is a quick charge 3.0 port, up to 4x faster than standard chargers, able to charge compatible devices to 80% in just 35 minutes, and the other USB charging port also functions as a U-disc port for playing music. High-performance microphone with noise suppression technology grants you a crystal clear call. One button to answering, redialing, dismissing or ending calls. It has wide compatibility with all Bluetooth-enabled devices. With an advanced Bluetooth version 5.0 chip, this FM Bluetooth transmitter car provides faster pairing and more stable sound than others. Equipped with electric protection of overcurrent, overvoltage, overcharge, overload, overheat, and short circuit, it's more reliable and safer to use. This Bluetooth transmitter supports voice commands to ensure safe driving, using Siri or Google Assistant to make phone calls, send texts, or get driving directions. At night, the soft blue LED light will remain on constantly, allowing you to see easily during the nighttime and will make your car's internal layout looks cooler and more attractive. Voltage detection will monitor your car's voltage in real time. Taking the 3rd position on our list is a product made by the Nulaxy brand. Possibly the latest, fastest and most efficient USB charging technology in the world. Up to 4x faster than standard chargers, it is able to charge compatible devices to 80% within 35 minutes. You can stream music on your car stereo via Bluetooth, USB flash drive, micro SD card. Advanced noise reduction technology will ensure quality, crystal clear sound. Nulaxy technology provides a stable connection and echo cancellation can reduce background noises for better hands-free calls, so you can answer phone calls with a press of the button. Supporting 7 colors LED backlit light, including red, green, blue, yellowish green, purple, cyan, this Bluetooth FM transmitter will give you a visually stunning display of colors, which is a nice way to match the colors already in the car. Safety first. NX10 is equipped with a voltmeter to show you the condition of your car battery. Our ranking places the LENCENT brand as the second spot. LENCENT T25 is anti-statics designed and equipped with noise and wind suppressed by CVC technology that can achieve full duplex sound quality. You can stream music on your car stereo via Bluetooth, USB flash drive, microSD card. Bluetooth provides a stable connection, while noise suppression technology and echo cancellation grants an amazing hands-free calling experience. Besides, you can also get clear voice navigation from your phone's app, which means driving will be more safely. The FM transmitter will display car's voltage when plugged into the cigarette lighter. Keep abreast of car battery health at all times to avoid problems when driving. With the circle of blue backlight around this car charger, it will greatly simplify your operation for safer driving. This Bluetooth transmitter is well compatible with most of the smartphones and more devices that equipped with Bluetooth function. It will automatically connect to its memorized paired Bluetooth device when power on. Also, with the wider range from 88.1 MHz to 107.9 MHz, you can get more stable and consequent music experience without interference. The Nulaxy brand's product takes the top-ranked position on our list. Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth FM transmitter has a 1.44-inch screen for better displaying information like phone calls, FM channels, music, car battery voltage. The ideal screen size to assist you in driving safe without disturbance. The rotatable gooseneck of the wireless radio adapter can provide you with an adjustable viewing angle and optimal viewing comfort of LCD display screen. With the Bluetooth version 5.0 technology, the car Bluetooth adapter can provide a more stable and faster connecting without intermittent disconnection. Nulaxy noise cancellation technology dampens the road noise and gives you clear, crisp sound for hands-free calls. High-quality music streaming ensures crystal clear sound for listening music and hands-free calls. All-in-one button for hands-free calls, answer/reject/hand-up/recall make you seamlessly switch between incoming calls and music. Enjoy complete voice control and safer driving with this Bluetooth transmitter. The FM transmitter Bluetooth for car is compatible with most devices on the market, such as iPad, iPhone, iPod, HTC, Galaxy, Sony, MP3 player, tablet, and Android smartphones. We invite you to share your thoughts below on which Bluetooth transmitter for car caught your attention for a potential purchase.